Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK Laredo X in Steam Gray. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath protection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock